My back door over there, that used to be the courthouse door. That's now the kitchen door, or was the kitchen door. That window's going to get changed now Monday. That's the old doorway. I had a wee shed, we had a wee lean-to shed coming up. When I paved the backyard, this doorstep looked ugly. So I put a wee lean-to shed for my lawnmower and stuff. So I've all that demolished now. I'm going to open that. I have the inside of the doorway already opened. I'm going to open up the outside. But I'm going to break it from the inside out. It'll be handier. And I'd imagine the pebble dash should come off cleanly. But the oil pipe needs moved. I have my oil tank inside the house and the oil pipe runs along the bottom. When I finish this here, I'm putting on plastic decking over the whole entire thing. The side of the shed's coming away. And there's going to be decking. That's the new kitchen door now. So the decking's going to come the whole way across the whole yard. I'm going to put a bit of a lean-to here. That's the dead corner anyway. And that's going to become the shower for my bedroom. I'm going to build the shower out here. Access from that door. So that concrete all has to be dug away. That'll be a summertime job. Digging that away there. But these boys are coming on Monday now. Had to knock down the inside first for them to get the measurements for the door. So I'm going to get this big angle grinder now. That out crap there is the boys have built the wall up. They built the cement. But I'm going to cut a trough just across that. So I can put the oil pipe, let the oil pipe drop into it. And whenever the plastic decking's on, I'll be underneath the plastic decking. So first there's the big angle grinder there. You got them big dust, them stone cutting dust, they're brilliant. So that angle grinder cut through there no problem. I've got this beast down to cut the hole in the wall. £130 I paid for that 4 years ago, 4 or 5 years ago. I was on with Google Photos. Come up with the memory of that. Powerful loud beast, but why heavy to hold. So I'll use that again on the inside to knock the breeze blocks out. Throw the breeze blocks on the wheelbarrow and chuck them in the trailer. So Luna's she's lying in the bed now at the minute. I'm going ahead with this angle grinder. Once I knock the wall down, I'm taking Luna down to the sister's house. I got these face shields in the pound shop. Oh, they've gotten home bargains. Reduced to 10p. I bought a pile of them. But you know what I was thinking? They're brilliant for knocking down walls because goggles steam up. What are you eating, Luna? She said, oh, it has to be eating something. But I was just thinking, you know how I collect all the old stuff from World War II? That is a piece of history there. So I would need to leave a couple of brand new ones away somewhere in the archives. Because it's one of them things that people want to forget about, but future generations will be interested in. The time the coronavirus came. And it's just like, it comes flat pack and you stick your wee thing on yourself because there's a big rush to produce these things. They couldn't get them out quick enough. Unlike World War II, everybody was after coronavirus and isolation, and even if the factories could make this stuff, there was no staff to make it. So that came a pack of 2 there. So I think they're originally meant for healthcare workers and etc. or ones that working. They didn't work these. They didn't stop the virus. It's just people fooled themselves. It was proven not to work. Right, so I like to put her. What I'm going to do, you know that if she stays down there, the one's blowing towards me, so dust won't go near it. If she comes towards me, she's going to have to go down to the sister's house. I'm going to cut this now. There's that much dust, it has to come up inside the mask. See nothing. Can see nothing. That's the job now. I'll put a piece of wood over that there. We'll knock a wall down, won't damage the pipe. And then it can be cemented over. The piece of wood sitting there now. So I'm just going to crack at the joints of the bricks, see how it comes out. Do the same as the last time. I'm wearing the mask, that's why I'm sounding funny. Start from the bottom, work my way up, start in the middle. So see how it goes. So heavy to hold this tool. I'm looking for a weak point. I might have to start off by them brick. There's no problem knocking the wall down. It's the weight of the tool. It's heavy. I'm going to rest this here. Tight one's handier. This one's better to clean it up. And then you get that out at the end of the door frame. Tight one's better. At first you don't succeed. Try again. Thought this would be easier on the inside. So the forest is a bit harder. What I think what happened, when I done the inside wall, I took the plaster off of the wee kangle. I put that in and took a brick off, brick at a time. But because there's no plaster, I've nothing to lean this machine on. So once they fall, it's more of holding the weight of the machine than anything else. Oh, I'm getting stuck on now. That was tight there. I'm very right up that rubble now with the wheelbarrow. Take a wee break. The top ones will start coming down a bit easier. I'll just let that middle one pop off, the side ones pop off, work their way down. So I need a break now. I'll get that gal up. Oh, there we are. The only good thing is it's very neat, so no need to do the pebble dash in the main house. That's not damaged. That'll be okay there. When that's painted again, that looks alright. back door once we can start again. Yeah, 10 minutes trying to get one brick off and then there's a whole lot of fouls, huh? The these nails hold them on and it gets away. The whole thing's about to go. Oh, it's going to go. How do you get the tool out? How do I get the tool out? Right you go, right you go. Oh, dodgy there, boys, dodgy. Time bomb there, but they go off. A wee crack there might do it, but I've dropped the tool there. Oh. Yeah, hailstones now, like hailstones. Last couple was a bit of a handling. That's clean there now. But down there to the doorstep. I think when they put on the PVC, they may have to cement a wee bit on there. I don't know. Whether the PVC is going to sit up here or I'll find out when it comes. But that's the wee cement bit, the original. That's the one that doorstep. I had to break some of these up. I can't lift them. So I got the Kango now, break them up, put them in the trailer. I've got a bit of plywood, it's such as old git. Got a new git on. So I'm going to cut that plywood to size, lock up that doorway. Get the hose pipe, wash all this down with the hose pipe. This job done then. Now the old back door opened up now. I'm just going about to board it up. Door's going on Monday, so there won't be quite as much light as that. Just imagine lying in the bed now. Imagine lying in the bed now, Luna. Wouldn't that be nice and bright and all in the morning, wouldn't it? And the sun shining in. You'll enjoy that, Luna. Hey, you'll be lying down in the bottom with the sun shining through the glass door. Hey. Door is all clear now, and I'm going to put this piece of wood on. It's not quite big enough. As close as I can get. I'll have to put it all. It's only for 2 days. The only thing I will say, I prefer buying tools and hiring tools. When that big lump of wall fell off at the top, I let my breaker machine go. If you hide a tool, you'll be tempted to try and save the tool in case you get scratched and you leave it back. And that's the one advantage of buying a tool. You're better off buying a cheap tool that you always have. No rush. Rain comes on like today, you can leave it. But there's quite a lot of cement. When these boys take off this frame now on Monday, I'm going to ask them to check if there's any insulation in them walls. I don't think there is. And if there's not, I must see about insulation, what's going to cost. Get the whole house done. Luna wants to go for walkies. So we're all finished here now. We've got it boarded up now. Luckily that gate there was rotten now. I got using that wood. Come on now, Luna, we'll go for walkies.